Hello, welcome to Arctic Lighting. This is Ashley. Today we are going to show you the new tail light for MX-5. First, let's look at the high-quality box. When we open the box, we will see two tail lights. And we will see one spare parts box, which include all the tools we need in the installation. When we open the box, we will see all the spare parts that we need to install the tail lights. Before we get into the installation, let's look at the suite tail lights. Compared to our tail lights, OEM style is so boring. We have the Ferrari style with full LED. We have two types of these tail lights. One is smoke lens and another one is clear. I will show you the difference between the two different colors. You have an option for the startup animation, or you can choose to close it by disconnecting this socket. This harness is used for fog light and the reverse light. I will explain to you how to use it in the next video. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.